Welcome to MA Engineering Solutions, your trusted partner in the manufacturing, supply, and fabrication of pre-engineered steel buildings, pre-engineered building, and modular sandwich panels. With a team of highly experienced engineers, we provide innovative engineering solutions tailored to your needs. From concept to creation, we ensure precision, durability, quick and reliable solutions. With help of prefab steel structure, you can make factory, warehouse, dairy farms, banquet halls, schools, rooms, guard rooms, and many more. Sandwich panels buildings are lightweight, durable construction materials made of two outer metal sheets, pre-paint galvanized iron, and a core insulation layer, such as polystyrene foam, pure polyurethane foam. They offer excellent thermal insulation, soundproofing, and structural strength, making them ideal for walls, roofs, and cold storage in industrial and commercial buildings. Their prefabricated design allows for quick installation, cost efficiency, and versatility in modern construction. We are committed to delivering exceptional results within the shortest possible time. Robust pre-engineered buildings to high-performance modular panels, MA Engineering Solutions is shaping the future of modern construction. For more information, contact us 03 2655 65550.